how to show privacy policy in your Netflix account on your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, now you can select the profile you want to use. So for my example, I use Richard profile. Here in Richard profile homepage, okay, you can see below the My Netflix. Okay, you can tap this, the My Netflix on the lower right side on your screen. And now, here on the upper right side on your screen, you can see the three line. Okay, you can tap this and the pop-up are show. Here in pop-up, you can see the app settings. Okay, you can tap this. Here in app settings, below, in about section, you can see here the privacy policy. Okay, you can tap this to show the privacy policy on your Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, below, you can see the last updated the privacy policy, April 17, 2024. And that's it. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.